Hi mga Mars! Isang quick reminder lang today. Okay lang magkamali. Kasi nga, sometimes kahit anong effort mo, may mali at sablay pa din. And that's normal. Hindi ibig sabihin failure ka. It just means you're learning. Lahat tayo dumadaan sa wrong timing, wrong decision, wrong turns. Pero doon tayo lumalakas. Doon tayo nagiging mas matatag, wise, at mas ready sa next step. If you mess up, huminga ka lang. Take a moment. Learn what you can. And then move forward. Hindi mo kailangan magpaka-perfect para mag-grow. Ang mahalaga, willing kang bumangon at mag-try ulit. Kaya, keep going, keep learning, at lagi mong tatandaan, okay lang magkamali, basta huwag kang hihinto.